Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a stunning hanging vine decor using just a hot glue gun. First, I'm going to grab my hot glue gun and start making the vine leaves. To do this, simply draw long wavy lines with the glue, giving it that natural vine shape. Don't worry about being perfect. The more random, the better. Next, to add some texture and depth, I'll create small glue drops and attach them in the middle of the leaves to give a nice 3D effect. This really makes the vine stand out.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
Once everything is dry, it's time for painting. I'm using a rich green color to give it that fresh, leafy look, and I'll apply it with a paintbrush. You can see how the color brings the whole project to life. Finally, I'll attach the vines to a small pot, letting them cascade down the sides for that hanging plant effect. You can place this on a shelf, table, or even hang it up. Next, let's make a heart mold using a hot glue gun. For this, you'll need any shape of objects. I have a circle and a heart shape here. Simply take your glue gun and cover the heart and circle with glue.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's
After it dries, carefully remove the heart to reveal the mold.
leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
I made a resin mixture and poured it into the mold just to test if it works. Now it's time to demold. It can take a little time to peel it off, but yeah, it worked and the heart turned out beautifully. Let's make a keychain out of it. Take an eye pin and a key ring, insert them into the resin heart,
Finding life along the way.
and there you go, a cute custom keychain.
No, I don't want no rest.
Okay, let's have some fun with this poppet mold. Just kidding. Next, we're gonna make some cute earrings using a hot glue gun. I'll be using this poppet as the mold. First, sprinkle some glitter into the mold to give it a sparkling effect. Then fill the mold with hot glue and gently press in the earring studs before the glue dries.
Highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
Once it's fully dry, it's time to demold. Wow, it looks so cute. Even though some glitter stayed inside the poppet mold, the earrings still turned out beautifully. Now, for a quick hack. I recently bought this ring, but it doesn't fit me, and I want to wear it today. I don't have a ring cap, so I thought, why not use a hot glue gun to fix it? I'm so happy it worked, and the ring fits me perfectly now. You should definitely try this at home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.